Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to edit your website in Zoho sites. We will go step by step inside the visual editor so that you can easily customize everything from the header and banner to blog sections and menus. By the end of this video, you will know how to make your Zoho websites look professional and aligned with your brand. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important tips. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to simply click on the link that is given in the description. It is going to directly redirect you here on the official website of Zoho sites. Over here, you need to first of all log in with your Zoho account, then click on the option of access the Zoho sites. So you are going to see your dashboard something like this. Now, if you already have a website, it will come here. So you can select the website and go with the editing process. But if you don't have a website, you can simply click on the option of create new website. And as you are creating a website, you are going to see some of the editing options here too. So let's say you want to create a new website first. So when you click on create a new site, you need to give your website a name. After that, you need to pick your website's category. So it can be business, portfolio, restaurant, education, etc. So let's say I want to keep it general, but you can select any of your website's category. Now click on the option of choose template. Once you have done that, it is going to show you a bunch of different beautiful templates that you can basically click and customize. It will also give you the insight whether the template is a single page or multiple page website. So here you can select any of the templates in which you are interested. For example, let's say I like this one. So you need to hover over it and click on the option of customize. Now here you can edit its color. So by default, this color is selected for the website, but you can also select this color palette, this one or this one. So let's say I want to select this one. Now you need to pick a set of fonts. So by default, this font is selected, but you can select this one, or this one. So let's say I want to select this one. After that, we have the option of picking a header and the banner style. So these two are selected for your header and the banner style, but you can also pick any others and click on the option of finish. Here you can see we have color, font, header and banner option. So click on the option of finish. Now your basic website is created on Zoho sites. If you want to make more changes into it, you need to customize it. So here, this is the inside of your website. In the left hand section, you will see its dashboard by default. Then we have the pages that are available on your website. Then we have files and blogs option. So since we want to edit our Zoho website, we will straight away go to the customization section and click on the option of the visual editor. Now inside your website, we have the visual editor. So this was the template that we have selected previously. Now, as you can see in the right hand section, we have a bunch of different customization options. So we will go through each one of these one by one, right? So first we have presets. Once you click on the option of presets, it is going to show you the color palettes or the theme or the design of your template. So here, as you can see, if I click on this one, it will take some time to apply the changes on the website. And now, as you can see, the changes are applied and you are going to see the preview here. You can also click on the option of mobile view in order to see how the website is going to be looking if you view it in your mobile. So this was the section of preset. Then we have the option of header. So header is the section that usually contains your logo and the navigation menu. Here you can basically upload your own company's logo. You can also adjust the alignment with the help of these sections. Then you can edit navigation links like home, about us, or customers, or find us option. For example, let's say I have contacts option here in my header. So you can click on it and you can change it to something like services or etc. Then we have the option of banner. So banner is often the first thing that a visitor see. This section actually lets you upload the background image or the video, add a bold headline or supporting the text. You can also just make it full width, boxed or full screen. I like the full screen mode, but you can also just click on it and apply the changes and see whether you are liking it or not. Then we have the footer background. So here you can simply go to the footer section. This is default, but you can click on the option of this drop down menu and you can select whether you want to make it light or dark. So let's say I've selected it dark because it is light, in order to show you how it is going to be looking when we apply this. So as you can see, it looks beautiful. Then we have the blog list option. So with the help of blog list, you will be able to control how your blog articles appear on a single page. You can basically edit the layout, the thumbnail size, or the expected length. So it is going to show you the preview of your blog posts and your lists. So you can click, let's say this one, and see how the changes are applying. Then you can select that one. Then if you want to basically show author's profile, show author's name, you can turn on and off any of these that are mentioned here based on your own requirements. Then we have the option of blog post. Similar is the case with the blog post. So you can select the same presets, select the same options for blog post as list. Then we have breadcrumbs. So breadcrumbs help user know where they are on the website. For example, home, then we have blog, then we have article name. So turning them on improves user experience and SEO. So by default, it is going to show you this type of section, but you can click on the other one and see how the changes are applying. So here, as you can see, the changes are applying over here. Now we have the sub menu option. So sub menu is actually useful if your website has multiple layers. For example, under services, if you have added sub menus like website and SEO, then you can use it. But as you can see, my website doesn't have it, so it won't applicable here. So if your website requires users to log in, maybe for a membership or a client portal or internal access, the sign in option lets you customize that page. So you can change the background style, form design, and add your own logo so that it matches your brand. So this is how you can customize it. Once you have all the customization settings enabled, simply click on the option of save in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and now all of your changes will be applicable. You can just view it by, you can click on the option of publish here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you can provide your website name and publish it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.